Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to get Telegram group link. So follow these simple steps to get the group link of Telegram. First thing is you open the Telegram application. Now once you have opened the Telegram application, you need to tap upon the group to which you want to copy the link. Tap upon that group. Now once you're at this page, you need to tap on the group name on the top. Tap on that. Here you will have all the members in the group. Here you will be able to see the group details like the members in here. So tap on the dotted lines on the top right, and there you will have the option to search member. You tap that. This will give you this option where you need to tap on invite via link. Once you do that, you will be able to copy the link and share it to the different social media platform to invite people through this group link. You can directly send a group link from here. Tap on share icon. Now here you can share it to the different social media platform of yours via the group link to add them to this group. This is a way how you can get Telegram group link. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.